Hi all, this is Dr. Sage Breslin and this is Wisdom Wednesdays. Well, it's officially the season of hibernation. The days are getting shorter and the lights are dimming. The nights are getting longer. And it's a challenge for a lot of people. There are times in the year where we therapists can kind of fade into the woodwork. I think that during the summer, people are feeling joyful and the sun is there. We have a lot of light and people are feeling better. They feel more relaxed. Here on the East Coast, people go to the shore for a month. And August is officially the time when all therapists take a month off and savor a much needed vacation. But now, during this season, now is the time when we therapists really shine. This season of hibernation, you can think about it from the animal's perspective, right? They go in for that long winter's nap and, they just wait it out. I think we as humans, we go in and we become contemplative and we study what's in the cave with us, so to speak. And sometimes that's a good thing. And oftentimes what happens is that contemplation is tough. So if you've noticed that, things have been great and you've been happy with your life, but now that you're in that stage of hibernation, maybe you notice you're more contemplative, you're quieter, you might even be sadder. Now, this is the time to reach out for us therapists. This is time that we have a lot to offer, whether it is holding space while you are in this stage, whether it is guidance for the journey, whether it's support for challenging times with family, because we know that holidays can sometimes be a little dicey, or whether it's just to provide a sense of hope that when the light returns, you'll be clearer and more empowered. That you will have surrendered and let go of things that don't serve you anymore, so that when you kind of come to and you dive back in, that there won't be so much standing in your way. So if you found that any of that is true for you, please feel free to reach out. This is when we shine. This is when we are here for you. And we are just so happy to provide whatever support and care and comfort we can during this season. This is Dr. Sage Breslin, and my wisdom for the day is use your resources. They can really help. Have a great day or evening wherever you are.